This has turned out to be some turnout. Huge phone calls. Hi guys, good morning. Sorry about the background of this intro. I'm currently in my garage as it looks like it's going to be another hot sunny day and I'm not going to be able to see the camera screen. So today it's the day after Father's Day, so it's a Monday. We're actually going to be doing something good but something which is actually quite sad. Yeah, let's tell you more. So I'm sure most of the people who watch my videos are sort of Abarth owners and Italian car fanatics like we are here. But if you are on some of the Abarth groups and Facebook pages and Abarth owners clubs, you would have known that a fellow Abarth owner sadly passed away. His name was Leo. I actually had the privilege of meeting him once at the Ace Cafe. I saw his car. It was in the nice sort of podium blue. He had LEDs in the back and briefly spoke to him. He seemed like a nice guy, sound. So yeah, but unfortunately I'm not going into details because I don't really know myself, if I'm honest with you, but he has passed away. So the family have put on their dates and details of his funeral, which I believe is obviously today, and they've welcomed any of our owners along to sort of do a convoy procession to his funeral. So at home here we've took the day off to do that. So yeah, it's quite sad really, but anything we can do to show our respects for another Bath owner we will. So we need to get the cars cleaned, get ourselves ready, prepared for today. Then we're going to take a trip to a place which is about an hour away from us. It's not that bad a journey, but luckily the weather looks nice. Us on the other hand, we've only met him once, but we just think it's a nice thing to do, to join a little convoy in memory of Leo and for his funeral. 124 needs a wash before it goes out today. My dad's got up early because I was actually having a lay-in, so he's finished off his car. Well, there, Bath. He was cleaning it yesterday. He's woken up and carried on with it today. He's currently giving it a hoover with a good old Henry, and he's just been checking the oil, which is probably why it looks like it's been topping up actually. And then on to my dirty 124. It hasn't actually been used much. It hasn't actually collected too much dirt, but I'll give her, she's got a little bit of poo resemblance or trace of bird poo on it, so I will give it obviously a wash, just a quickie, before it goes out in our Bath convoy today. Dad's been polishing it, taking the wheels off, giving them all a good clean. He's still got one off actually. He needs to get a move on. And then Panda's over there, that's there. My Bath has moved forward and I've given her the quickest clean in the world. Usually I snow foam her, this time I didn't. I just used Auto Finesse citrus, what's it called, spray pre-wash. Just decontaminated the wheels with an iron remover because I didn't really have time to wash them properly either, but they've come up okay by the looks of things. And then I've literally just used like a matte detailer spray to finish off the matte work, give it a little bit of protection. But that'll do for today's convoy, I think. Right, so we've just driven the hour journey and we've arrived at where Leo lives and his family lives. So we're going to wait for a few more baths to come up, turn up, then hopefully we can do the convoy to his funeral destination. Just parked up on the road, hopefully a few more baths will be able to find us at the start of the street and join us.
I'm glad I'm not driving all the way back home tonight like you guys are. Yeah, that's true. Keep my day out for a nice dinner.
So this is Leo's car that I've seen once before, like I said, at the Ace Cafe, but they're going to be taking this to the funeral. 2 cars have come all the way from Newcastle. They said that's a 5.5 hour journey, so that is dedication to this, a poor Bath owner that sadly passed away. But it's a Bath's here and it's come along to the funeral. I'm sure Leo would be very proud and very happy to have us all turn up to show him some respect and support. This has turned out to be some turnout. Hiya! He knows my name, that's a nice guy. Wow, don't know where we're all going to park now. Alright.
There's a room up there.
Not really, no. Park here maybe.
Yeah, might have to.
Oh, and Footnote's coming in as well. Rachel and Mike. Rachel in the Abarth Spider. Mike in the red one I've seen before. Ah, girl driver. Respect. That's slammed. I like your car. Abarth's taken over the cul-de-sac here. There's loads of us now, it's just chaos. Luckily all the driveways and house owners here are letting us park in their driveways because there is so many of us. So we're all parking in the driveways here in this cul-de-sac at the moment to fit everyone all in. Yeah, we can film everyone. Start out. Leo's just turned up in his Podium Blue Competizione.
I ordered that off, I can't remember what site it was now. But no, the first one they sent, they spelled Competizione wrong.
Right guys, so I've been back home from Leo's funeral convoy for a good 3 or 4 hours and I'm struggling because I feel very sad. We were the first ones there. We were then followed by, I can't remember how many, at least another 12 or 13 Abarths to join the funeral convoy. People come all the way down from Newcastle, so they made like a 5-hour journey just to do a convoy in Leo's memory. I mean, how amazing is that? So yeah, there was a few of us there. There was a few Abarth owners I'd met before, also a few that I hadn't, so it was nice to see some different people along with different cars that I hadn't seen before. We followed the funeral cars down to the place, crematorium. Leo's family then sort of kindly invited us into the funeral, which we accepted. It's really sad actually because they even drove Leo's Abarth there, so even his car was at his own funeral, if you see what I mean. But is it okay to say it was a lovely day? Well, not a lovely day, but it was just amazing how strangers just all come together, or shall I say how Abarth owners all come together for another fellow Abarth owner. The whole funeral and the service was lovely, obviously very sad, which is why I'm still suffering from it now at the moment. But yeah, and I asked the family if I was okay to film my bits, and they said yes, which is obviously why I'm doing this video anyway. But yeah, I was glad to have been a part of it, and I'm sure if Leo can look down on us, he'd be happy with the turnout that came to his convoy and funeral. So I'm now going to end this video here because I'm not exactly in the best of moods, and this is probably coming across really sad, but that's because I am. But yeah, if you want to sort of show your respects for Leo, then I guess you can like this video for that reason. And yeah, I don't really want to promote myself too much in this video actually, because I don't think it's not about me, is it? But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in another video, hopefully in different circumstances. Bye for now.